I left Seattle on Emirates Air for a 14-hour non-stop flight to Dubai for a 4-day stayover before heading to Casablanca for the start of my Morocco adventures. The richness of Dubai was apparent as my plane approached the bright city landscape filled with soaring skyscrapers. No wonder Dubai is called the City of Gold. The metro at the airport whisked me to my top of Marina hostel, and for 4 days I was there. It gave me an enjoyable ride throughout Dubai and its many malls. As the largest city in the United Arab Emirates, oil only represents 5% of its income, with 23% for real estate and construction, 16% for trades, 11% financial services, and 8% for tourism. The different members of royalty compete for the largest buildings, office, residential, hotels, and the list goes on. The Burj Khalifa to the right tops out at 2,717 feet. At each metro stop, I found these mega malls. This one has a huge aquarium. I signed up for 2 tours, the Yellow Boat and the Dune Busting tours, for my short stay.
So ladies and gentlemen, while the boat is moving fast, please, nobody will stand. We will take you around the palm.
Especially like the Cayenne or Infinity Tower with its twisting design. On this Yellow Boat tour in the Dubai Marina near my hostel, our main attractions are the Dubai Marina, which we passed through, the Dubai Eye Ferris wheel, the Atlantis Hotel at the top of the Palm Island, the Burj Al Arab Jumeirah, which looks like an Arab sailing boat, the Jumeirah Beach Hotel, which looks like a giant wave, and finally the Royal Palace beachfront.
It was opened on September 24, 2008. So Atlantis Hotel, 2008. So Atlantis Hotel has 1,539 rooms on the sides. And with a David Coulthard, he did a donuts right on the top of the house. So ladies and gentlemen,
from our that is boat station, how much it is? 5 minutes.
Which one?
From boat station.
No.
The Dubai Eye Ferris wheel will open sometimes in 2019 at 689 feet. It will become the highest Ferris wheel, surpassing the Las Vegas and Staten Island Ferris wheels. The $180 for this 1.8-mile zip line was too much. Plus, I already did the Copper Canyon, Mexico one that was 1.5 miles.
Here they come.
Yeah, they're coming. Right there. Yes.
For the 4x4 dune busting Orient tour, we drove out to the desert along these wide freeways until the turnoff to our desert destination. Tommy, our driver guide, seemed to be the leader of the 24 or so Land Cruisers that joined us in the desert. I was joined in the car with Todd and Lauren from Australia and Martin and Diana from the UK.
Everybody seatbelts on?
Yep.
Before heading across the sand dunes, all of the drivers let a lot of air out of their tires so they would be better able to drive through the soft sand dunes we would encounter.
Whoa. Whoa.
After a couple of hours, we got out of our Land Cruisers to look at the sand dune scenery. From there, the sand color gradually changed from red to light brown, and then the dunes got somewhat smaller. We then came to an encampment where we would ride a camel, watch a falconer, sandboard, see local craftsmen, eat a buffet meal, and be entertained as the sun set. At $90 for the tour, this was an excellent value. Diana from the UK perfects her sandboarding skills.
Oh, you get that?
Yeah.
اشرح الفاني تشفي العوق يا بختني بمرضاها تفنيا يا ابني اجيالي يسهر النور دامها الله لها ستر وحميه.
A couple of tourists join the walking stick dancers.
In my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me.
Thus ends my 4-day tour of Dubai.